Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kavitsky Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. In last period, we discussed about the notepad, right? How to write in notepad, how to save this file, how to open this already exit file, which file we save before and we want to see this, then how to open it? By using open option. Now we will see our next chapter. Chapter name is Paint program. We will start here. Chapter number 6. Chapter name is Paint program. What is the use of paint and how to operate the paint software we will see here. Now we will learn to open a new file, draw and use the different tools and then save the file using the paint program. What is the use of notepad? If you want to write anything, then we use notepad. If you want to write anything, then we use notepad. Notepad, we discussed about the component of the component of the notepad also. Now, if you want to draw, then which software is useful? Yes, if you want to draw, then that time paint software is useful. What is the use of paint? Paint program or paint software is like your paint notebook, drawing notebook. Everyone having drawing notebook? Yes? Paint program or paint window is like our drawing notebook. Now we will see how to draw. In this chapter we will see how to draw in paint, how to save the file and how to open the already exit file. Means if suppose we store some file and we want to see this file, then how to open this file, we will see this. Firstly we will see how to open the paint program. To open the paint program, how to open? Click on the start button. There is the start button on the taskbar. The downside line is called as a taskbar. Taskbar having start button and opposite of the start button, what it is? Time. It is taskbar. Taskbar. This downside line is taskbar. Where is the start button? On the taskbar. Then click on the start button. Then all program. Click on the accessories and then notice a list of options. When we click on the accessories, then we will get the options, and in that which now we want now paint. Before that what we want notepad. Same procedure is for opening the notepad and for paint, but only difference is start, all program, accessories, and then that time we want notepad. Then click on the notepad, and now in this lesson we want paint. Then click on the paint. Till here, till 3 steps are same to open the notepad and to open the paint. First one is the start, all program, accessories, and then paint. Everyone say with me. Click on the start button, all programs, accessories and paint. Now we will do practically how to open paint. Where is the start button? This is the start button. Round button is start button. Start. Then what? Don't see in your book. Then what? What is the next step? Click on the start button. Then all program and then accessories. Where is the accessories folder? Here. Now if you want to open a notepad, then click on the notepad. Otherwise now what we want paint. Then click on the paint. Then we will get this window. It is paint window. It is same like our drawing book, blank page only. Right? Same like our drawing notebook. Now Repeat with me. How to open the paint? Click on the start button, all program, accessories and paint. We will do one more time. Start button, all program, accessories and then paint. Okay, and same like a notepad, it is also having 3 buttons: title bar and drawing area. We will see component of the notepad. This is not in your book, but we will see here. Like our notepad. First one is a title bar. You can see it is untitled. It is title bar. Title bar. These 3 buttons are called as a control buttons. In that, first one is minimize button, second one is maximize button and third one is close button. Minimize button, second one is loudly, second one is good, maximize, and last one is close. What is the use of these 3 buttons? What is meant by minimize? Same like notepad window. What is the use of this minimize button? If you want to minimize the window, means what? Small. If you want to do the small window, small size window, then we can use the minimize button. Second one is a maximize button. Maximize button means when the user click on the maximize button, the paint window covers the full screen on the monitor. And when we click this maximize button, then instead of this single, you get a double square. Then this button is called as a restore button. See here, this now these are 2 square and this is single square. These 2 square are called as a restore button. User maximize the window when click the restore button. The button will help it return it to the full size. Got it? And last one is close. What is the use of close? If you want to close the paint window, then we will use the close button. And these 3 buttons all together are called as a control buttons. These 3 buttons all together are called as a control buttons. And it is called as a, this blank space is called as a drawing area. And how many scroll bars are there? This scroll bar, this scroll bar, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. What is the use of scroll bar in notepad? Same use it in a paint window also, to move the up or side or left or right. Got it? And it having a different tools like paint, eraser, pencil, pen not, pencil, eraser, brush tool, airbrush tool, text tool, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse or oval tool, line tool, fill with color tool. These are different tools and use of this tool we will see this in next chapter. Firstly we will see about only about only Paint program. How to open the Paint program? Click on the Start button, then All program, then Accessories, then you will get the Paint and component of the Paint. What are the component of the Paint? Title bar, control buttons. How many control buttons are there? 3. Which are there? Good. Minimize button, maximize button and close button. Next one is drawing area. Next one, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Till here, clear everyone? And tools are here. You can see these are tools. These are different tools. Colors are also there. We can use different color. Which color we want, we can use. Shapes also there. Means here only we can say line tool, oval tool. What is it? Rectangle tool, triangle tool. Clear? Now these are the menu bar. Home and view, it is called as the menu bar. Home having these all tools and view having zoom in, zoom out. If you want to see ruler, then click here, then grid line and status bar. Zoom in, zoom out. Now we will see how to draw in a Paint. How to draw in a Paint. How to draw in a Paint? These are the tools, right? If you want to draw a rectangle, then click here. You can see this. It is the mouse. If we move the mouse, then these also move. Click the mouse. How many buttons mouse having? Yes, mouse having 3 buttons. Which are the left button, right button, middle one is scroller button. Right? Then click on the mouse left button, continuously click and drag the mouse. And then leave it. If you want to draw on this small, same procedure. Click the mouse left button, continuously press it and then leave it. If you want to bigger than this rectangle, then draw big. Clear? Now how to give the color? The tool name and use of the tool we will see in next chapter. It is fill with color tool. How to do this? Click here, then choose color whichever you want, choose it, and here we want to give color here, then take this here and press the mouse left button only one time. If you want to give this color here, same procedure. Clear till here? Now it is saved file. We save it? No, we not save it. Then how to save it? How to save it? You can see it is the Paint button. Which button it is? Paint button. Click on this button and you see same like a notepad. It is also having different option: new, open, save as, print, exit, set as a background desktop, send email, properties, about page. The uses of these different menu is different. Now what you want? You want to save the file. How to save the file? See in your page number 28 how to save the file. Click on the paint button, then save. By using save button also we can save. By using save as button also we can save the paint file. We will click on the save. Then this type of window will appear. Where we want to save? We want to save this save it on desktop, and we will create one new folder. Name of this folder is class 2. Class 2, and we want to save this paint file in class 2 folder. Then how to select this class 2 folder? Double click here. Then you can see which folder open now. Class 2 folder is open, and we will give name to that file, our first file. Then we will give first. We can give file name as our roll number, our name, our friend name. Means we can give alphabet or number, whatever we want. We give name to the file name also and to the folder name also. Then last step is click on the save. You can see it is title bar. And what is the use of title bar? Title bar display the name of program, a name of file. You can see here which name we given now. We given first name. Then it display on the title bar. You can see here first and paint. Clear? We will do one more time how to save it. Now this file is already saved. We cannot save it once again because it already saved. But we want to give different name to that file. How to give them? Now it is save as option is useful. Now which option is useful? Save as. Click on the save as button. Then desktop. Which folder we want to take? We will create one more new folder. New folder. Click which button? Mouse left button. Click on the mouse left button, and then by using keyboard give the name. We will give only class because class 2 we already given name and we already save this in desktop only. Then it cannot take same name. Then we will write only class second. We will write like that, like this, class second, and we will give name here, file name. We want to save this file in this class second folder. Then select it and second, and last step is click on the save. Clear? You can see here this file is converted as a second. This file name is now second. Now we will read how to save the file. Saving the file. The step required to save the drawing area. Step 1. Click on the paint button. Step 2. Select save or save as option from paint button. Select save or save as option from the which button? Paint button. Step 3. the Save As dialog box will appear on the screen. Save As dialog box will appear on the screen. Step 4. In the Save As dialog box, select your folder name class 2. Means already folder is there, then no need to take a new folder. Listen carefully. If already folder is there, then no need to create a new folder. And if already exit, then no need. If already not exit, then we must have to create it. And then step 5. In the file name box, give proper name to the file to be saved. And last one, click on the save button. Clear everyone? How to save the file and how to open the paint program, how to open. Clear? Now we will see step to open a new file in the paint program. Now our file already open here and we want to take a new file. How to take this new file? We don't want this. We want to take a new file. In drawing notebook, if you write something and we want to take a new file, then at that time what we will do? We will turn the page and we will take the new page. But now here we want to take a new blank page. How to take this new blank page? New blank page. Click on the paint button, then click on the new. Which option? See carefully. Click on the new. Then what happened? This new file we can see here, because now it is showing untitled paint. And what name we given? We have given now which name? Second. And now you can see it is the untitled paint. See here, step to open a new file in the paint program. Step 1, click on the paint button. Click on the paint button. Second one, click on the new. Third one, a new file open. New file open. The drawing area will be used as a drawing sheet and the tools and the toolbox will be used to draw. While using the tools, one can use the brush tool, which is very similar to using a painting brush on a canvas. Select the brush tool from the toolbox and start your drawing. Means by using brush tool also we can draw. Where is the brush tool? It is the brush tool. And which firstly you can see it is arrow. This arrow, the arrow is moving on the depending on mouse movement. Click here mouse left button and then select the color, and you can see we can draw anything. We can draw anything. How to draw? If I, without pressing the mouse left button, if I only move the mouse, then it will not draw. For drawing we must have to press the mouse left button, then and there it will draw. Same, drag the mouse, press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. We can draw whatever we want. We can take different color. when we are drawing by using this brush, then it is not clear, the shape is not clear. But instead of using this brush tool, if we use these shapes, then our shapes will become very clear. You can see, by using drawing tool I draw here, and by using shape tool I draw here. Clear? Now we will see how to open the already exit file. How to open already exit file. Which file we store here? First number file and second number file. We want to open it. How to open it? Click on the paint button and then click on the open. Now we don't want to new. We don't want to save this file. We want to open already exit file. Then how to open it? Click on the open. Where is our file? On the desktop. Which folder? We given file name as a class second, and what is the file name? First. Folder name is class second and file name is first. Then only single click and press on the open. You can see what already exit file. We will do one more time. Click on the paint button, then open. We will open here second file, then second, and then open. This file is open. Now till here clear everyone? Now we will solve skill sheet. Open your skill sheet, page number 25. What is the first number question? Write the step to open a new file. Write the step to open a new file. How to open a new file? How to open a new file? If pen program is open and we want to take a new file, how to take this new file? The steps are, first one step is click on the which button? Good. Click on the paint button. P-A-I-N-T. Paint button. Click on the which button? Paint button. And second one, click on the new option. In question there is answer only. First one is click on the paint button, and now what we want? We want to open a new file. Then click on the new button. Clear? Now second one, write the step to save a file. How to save a file? First one step is click on the which button? For each and everything. Means if you want to open already exit file, if you want to save, if you want to take a new file, then for each and everything we must have to press the first button. Which button it is? Paint button. Then first step is click on the paint button, and for saving which two options are useful? Good. In question this answer is also there. Save or save as. Save or save as. For new, click on the paint button, and second one is new. For saving the file, click on the paint button and click on the save or save as. And last one is write the step to open the paint window. How to open the paint window? How to open the paint window? First one is click on the start button, then all program, then accessories, and then paint. Clear? For open a new file, we must have to click on the paint button and then click on the new. Why? Because we want a new file. Then click on the new. Second one is to save the file. Click on the paint button and we want to save the file. Then save or save as. and step to open the paint window. First one is start, all program, accessories and paint. Write down it fast. And next one is page number 26, having is only using the pencil tool. Using the pencil tool, how to draw in a paint. Means same like a how we draw the by using which button, which option? By using brush option, how we draw, same it is how to draw by using the pencil option. And they are only given a homework to draw. It is lab activity. To draw a triangle, this circle, welcome, then this scenery, fruit, shapes, how to draw different shapes. That only they given as a homework or as a lab activity. It is lab section. You can see upper side only. It is lab section. Then it is same like to, we will do one more. How to write a welcome. It is pencil tool. Take it pencil tool and press the mouse button and write whatever we want. WELCOME, welcome. And how to save the file? Click on the paint button and then click on the save option, and where we want to save, select this path. Now what is the homework for you? Read the lesson, underline the hard words and complete the skill sheet. Only one page is for writing. Complete the skill sheet. Now if you not complete with me, then no problem, I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Thank you.